Hi, my name is Gerhard Schwartner, and welcome to Selling Power TV. Today, we have the great pleasure of meeting with Utukuri. He's the founder and CEO of Vizetto. He's joining us from Toronto. Welcome, Av.
Hey, thanks so much, Gerhard. Good to see you again, my friend.
Av, you are planning to share a new technology with us that is going to revolutionize the way people will sell in the future. And the name of your innovation is Pitch. Tell us about it.
Sure. So when you think about meetings in any type of organization, there's a complexity level, right? So when you think about a complexity of meeting, right at the top are your simple meetings that are like town halls, board calls, updates, company onboarding, product demos. So these are really pitches. We give pitches all the time, depending on the type of situation. Then as you go down into the middle of the complexity, you might have things like a solutions architecture call, a subject matter expert, where you're jumping from document to document and you have to actually be a lot more creative. And right at the bottom is your strategy, is your planning, which is a lot more nonlinear. So if you think about it, these meetings are very unstructured and nonlinear, whereas these meetings are usually very linear and structured. So we came up with a product that dramatically transforms those meetings as well. It's called Pitch. So what happens with Pitch is when you get Reactive and you install the app, you're going to see a new icon called Pitch. And when you click it, it's incredibly simple. You pick a background that you want, or you can load your own company logo as a background. I'm going to pick a brick wall for right now for fun. And we might actually have a sales presentation. I pick my camera, and instantly it transforms my Zoom session into something that's far more interactive and engaging. And I want to explain the neuroscience behind it. So number one, it makes you look like a real person. Your brand and your name are right there. And this is called associative learning. People want to talk to people, and they associate your name with your brand and the product that you're selling. And number two, as you're presenting, Reactive has an amazing whiteboard mode where that ink sticks to the page. So I can do things like reinforcement learning. I can reinforce concepts. I can jot down information and points such that when you see it visually being expressed, your retention is a lot higher.
So it sounds like this is not just a better way to show PowerPoint or to add on the spot illustration, but it is more impactful because you are part of the message.
That's right, because people need to remember you as the salesperson in any pitch. And you're also right, it's not only just PowerPoint. I can bring in any type of content. So as an example here, I'm going to go bring in a video. So let's just say that I'm going to add a video into the pitch session. And when I do that, it again instantly transforms my way I can talk about it. So I can now come in, I can play the video, I can now talk about elements, I can point out things that we changed. So no matter what type of presentation that I'm giving, I can instantly transform it.
So how do you change the background screen?
Easy. So what you do here is you can pick a different background that are already pre-configured, or I can even load a new background from my computer. So let's just say I wanted to load that, and I do this. I'll now jump into this presentation. And now you can see my brand is up there because the background contains my logo. You could easily put your customer's logo there, personalize it, and give them a sense that you put effort into creating a pitch for them, right?
What is the response from your customers? Can you share a customer name that is using this right now?
Oh, they loved it. They love it. We have hundreds and hundreds of customers ramping up right now that are becoming super users. So we're seeing a lot of activity and positive feedback for sure. We have people as diverse as a church in Indonesia where they're doing entire sermons in Reactive. You can see millions of people who are watching that type of stuff on TikTok, all the way through to someone who teaches accounting. We have doctors who are using telemedicine. So I have quite a few up on the website publicly listed.
Well, thank you so much, Av. And I recommend for anybody who wants to improve their presentation and make it more impactful, go to vizetto.com. Thank you.